Want to dip your toes into the world of cryptocurrency without breaking the bank? You're in the right place. Today we're diving into the exciting realm of free crypto. Yes, you heard it right. There are legit ways to earn crypto without spending a dime. So, grab your favorite snack, get comfy, and let's explore the top resources to claim your free crypto. Understanding the basics. Before we dive into the earning methods, let's quickly recap what cryptocurrency is. It's a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Blockchain technology is the backbone of most cryptocurrencies, ensuring transparency and security. Method 1. Crypto faucets. Crypto faucets are websites that offer small amounts of cryptocurrency in exchange for completing simple tasks like watching ads, solving CAPTCHAs, or playing games. While the rewards might be small, they can add up over time. Tips: be wary of scams and fake faucets. Use multiple faucets to maximize your earnings. Consider using a faucet rotator to automate the process. Method 2. Crypto airdrops. Airdrops are free cryptocurrency distributions to promote a new project or reward existing users. To qualify for airdrops, you often need to follow a project on social media, join their community, or hold related cryptocurrencies. Tips: stay active in the crypto community. Participate in crypto-related activities. Join airdrop groups and channels for the latest opportunities. While traditional mining requires powerful hardware, cloud mining allows you to earn small amounts of cryptocurrency without investing heavily. Tips: online surveys and market research. Several platforms offer crypto rewards for completing surveys and market research studies. While the earnings might be modest, they can add up over time. Look for reputable survey sites that offer cryptocurrency as a payment option. Understanding trends and news can help you make informed decisions and identify new earning possibilities. While earning free cryptocurrency might not lead to financial independence overnight, remember, free crypto is often a starting point. If you find yourself enjoying the world of crypto, consider exploring other investment strategies or learning more about blockchain technology. Sources and related content. Tips: research reputable cloud mining platforms. Understand the concept of mining difficulty and profitability. Method 5. Crypto staking. Staking involves holding a certain amount of cryptocurrency to support the network's operations. In return, you earn rewards. Some platforms offer staking options with minimal investment requirements. Tips: understand the risks involved in staking. Research different staking platforms and their reward structures. Use engaging visuals and graphics to make the video more interesting. Consider adding interviews with crypto experts or community members. Keep the video concise and informative. Optimize the video for SEO with relevant keywords. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.